Jai Sriman 41st sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sakheti matva prasabham yaduktam. He Krishna, He Yadava, He Sakheti. Ajanata Mahimanam Tavedam Maya Pramadat Pranayena Vapi. Ask for the forgiveness from Sri Krishna Paramatma for all the offenses that you have done without knowing Krishna Paramatma's supremacy, without understanding Krishna Paramatma's supreme glory. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma asking for forgiveness like this. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, please forgive me for all the offenses that I have done without knowing your supreme glory and without understanding your supremacy. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please forgive me all my mistakes. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Budirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 193rd day. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. In that process, Parikshin Narendra asking, O Yogindra, you said Gopalakas narrating the story of Aghasura Vadha to their parents just now, but which is happened 1 year back. How is it possible? Tad bruhi me mahayogin param kautuhalam guru. I am very much interested in listening to all the story. Definitely harehe eva maya bhavati nanyadha. Definitely there must be Sri Krishna's magic involved in that. There is nothing else. Ho Guruvarya, I am in low state, but I am very much fortunate to be able to hear from you. Vayam pibamaha muhustvattaha punyam Krishna kathamrutam. You are giving me the nectar of Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine glory. I am so much fortunate to be able to listen from you. So that is why please continue narrating the divine stories of Sri Krishna Paramatma and Sri Krishna Paramatma's glories. Like that, when Parikshin Narendra asked, by then Sri Sukha Yogindra, he was remembering Krishna Paramatma. He heard Parikshin Narendra's questions, but for a while he was just meditating upon Krishna Paramatma. He was enjoying Krishna Paramatma's smarana within his heart, and he was enjoying Krishna Paramatma's svarupam within his heart. That is why he totally lost consciousness. And after a while, he came back into conscious and now saying to Parikshin Narendra like this, "Oh Parikshin Narendra, the question that you asked, I really like that. And your interest in listening to Krishna Paramatma's stories, I like that. How much ever and how many times ever you listen to Krishna Paramatma's stories, yen nutanayasi sasya srunvannapi kadham muhuhu. Those stories always taste very fresh and new, as if we are just listening to them. So it always gives us great amount of punyam." Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra continuing. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 41st sloka. Sakheti matva prasabham yeduktam. He Krishna, He Yadava, He Sakheti. Ajanata mahimanam tavedam. Maya pramadat pranayena vapi. Sakheti matva prasabham yeduktam. He Krishna, He Yadava, He Sakheti. Ajanata mahimanam tavedam. Maya pramadat pranayena vapi. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.